Welcome to our channel Easy Learn Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi my dear kids, in this video we are going to see class 4 NSO level 2 2018 paper. So the first section is science. First one, refer to the given flowchart and select the correct option. So please pause the video and please see the given flowchart and try to find P, Q and R. So R is a useful insect. So R, termite, honeybee, housefly and silverfish. So out of this, honeybee is a useful insect. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. Second one, 10 male animals, each of type X and Y, were living together for last few months in captivity in a well-defined area full of greenery. Other types of animals were not present in this area. Then an animal Z was introduced in this area. After few days, their numbers were counted and tabulated as shown. What does this indicate? Okay, so 10 male animals, each of type X and Y, were living together for few months in captivity in a fully greeny area. That means X and Y are herbivore. Okay, X and Y are herbivore. So other type of animals were not present in this area. Then animal Z was introduced in this area. So okay. So animal Z was introduced, then population of Y got reduced. So Y is a prey for animal Z. Okay. So Z is a carnivore. Okay. So Z is a carnivore, Y is a herbivore, S is a herbivore. So option A, B, C are correct. That means option D, all of this is the correct answer. Option D. Third one, read the given paragraph. X and Y are the two planets of our solar system. X is the hottest planet and is often referred to as morning or evening star. So X is Venus. Surface of Y is covered by red dust. So it appears red and is often referred to as red planet. So Y is Mars. Identify planet X and Y. Select the correct option regarding them. Option A, X has 1 moon whereas Y has 62 moons. It is incorrect. B, Y is an inner planet made up of rocks and ions whereas X is an outer planet made up of gases. It is also incorrect. See, Indian name of X is Shukra whereas that of Y is Mangal. So it is the correct statement. Okay. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. Fourth one. Identify the animals shown in the picture. Find out what is common between them and select the correct option. So the given animals are X amphibian, frog, Y is an insect. Okay, mosquito. So option A, both X and Y lack backbone. It is incorrect because amphibian has backbone. Insect doesn't have backbone. B, both X and Y have 4 stages in their life cycle. It is also incorrect. Both have 3 stages in their life cycle. C, both X and Y lay eggs in water. It is the correct statement. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Option C. Fifth one, parts near equator have dash marked season because dash. Option A, no. Yes, parts near equator have no marked season. Okay, because they face the sun for 6 months continuously. It is incorrect. B, clearly they face the sun for 6 months continuously. It is also incorrect. C, no. They retain at almost the same angle to the sun throughout the year. It is the correct statement. Parts near equator have no marked season because they retain at almost the same angle to the sun throughout the year. So option C is the correct answer. Sixth one, Avinash grouped plants on the basis of their habitat. By mistake, he placed one wrong plant in each group. Identify the odd member of each group and select the correct option. Group 1, duckweed, hydrilla, opuntia. So here duckweed and hydrilla are aquatic plant. Opuntia is a desert plant. Group 2, banyan, mango, acacia. All are terrestrial plant. Group 3, barrel cactus, joshua tree, valesneria. So here barrel cactus and joshua tree are desert plant. Well, Vallisneria is an aquatic plant. Okay. So option A, duckweed in group 1 is incorrectly placed and should be replaced with arrowhead plant. No. B, mango in group 2 should be interchanged with Joshua tree in group 3. It is also incorrect. C, Opancha in group 1 should be interchanged with Vallisneria in group 3. It is the correct one. Okay. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. Seventh one, select the option that on unscrambling gives the name of a clothing item worn in summer. So on unscrambling we get option A, muffler, B, sweater, C, trouser, D, cardigan. So we know trouser, okay, trouser is a clothing item that can be worn in summer. So option C is the correct answer. Eighth one, Radhika observed crescent moon on 28th November. Which phases of moon will she observe on 5th December and 12th December respectively? So she observed crescent moon on 28th November. So on 5th December she will observe waxing gibbous, okay, waxing gibbous, and 12th December he will observe waning gibbous, okay. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. Ninth one, study the given relationship and select the option that satisfies the same relationship. Fenugreek, mint, carrot, beetroot. So the edible part in fenugreek is seed and leaf, mint is leaf, carrot and beetroot root. So option A, coriander, spinach, radish, turnip. So the edible part in coriander is leaf and seed, spinach leaf, radish and turnip root. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A. 10th one, which of the following graphs shows the correct relationship between the amount of potential energy an object has and the height of the object? Okay. So the potential energy increases with increase of height of an object. Okay. The potential energy increases with increase in height of an object. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Option C. The potential energy increases with increase in height of an object. Okay, so option C. 11th one. The name of which of the following cannot be obtained by using the letters given in the box? You can use each letter more than once. So option A, it is formed by condensation of atmospheric water vapor on cold exposed surface like leaves of plants. So that is dew. Okay, so dew, it can be formed. Okay, it can be formed. So B, it is formed when atmospheric water vapor condenses and freezes on a surface which cools past dew point, that is frost. Okay, so frost also can be formed. Next is C, it is a form of precipitation occurring in plains and leading to flood at times, that is rain. So it can also be formed. So option D, it forms when thunderstorm updraft are strong enough to carry water droplets above the freezing level, causing them to freeze, that is hail. Okay, hail. Yes, hail cannot be formed. Okay, so option D cannot be formed from the given letters. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, hail cannot be formed. 12th one. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies animals P, Q, R and S. So again, please pause the video and try to find P, Q, R and S. So Q is an animal which possesses backbone and warm-blooded, and also it lays egg. Okay, so P is an animal which is warm-blooded and possesses backbone and doesn't lay egg. So P is a mammal, S is a bird and reptiles, R is an animal which possesses backbone and also which lays egg. Now let's check the option. We will come from backward. So S is an animal which lays egg. So here salamander, it lays egg. Housefly is an insect which lays egg. Viper belongs to snake family. It also lays egg. Shrew is an mammal. Okay. So it gives direct birth. So either option A, B, C will be correct. So now let's check the Q option. Okay. So here kite. So okay, kite belongs to snake family, that is reptiles. It belongs to cold blooded. So as per Venn diagram, Q is an warm-blooded animal. Okay, so Q is incorrect. Stork is a bird, warm-blooded, and also it possesses backbone, and also it lays egg. So option B is correct. Next, caiman, it belongs to alligator family. It also cold-blooded. So it also incorrect. So option B is the correct answer. P, porcupine, Q, stork, or spat-foot toad, yes, housefly. So option B is the correct answer. 13th, the following graph shows the level of air pollution in a particular area. Which graph depicts that the vehicle transport has increased in this area over time? Okay, so when the vehicular transport has increased, then the level of air pollution will also increase. So please check the given graph. So in option D, the air pollution level also increased. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Option D. 14th, which of the following is not hidden in the given word grid? So option A, structure present in polar bear that protect it from cold, and a structure present in scalodon that enables it to breathe underwater. So that structure is blubber. Okay, it is hidden in the given word grid. Next, B, behavioral adaptation that helps Siberian cranes to escape cold winters of their homeland, and structural adaptation that help them to fly, that is migration. Okay. C, phenomenon wherein chameleon blends with its surrounding by changing its skin color to remain unnoticed by its prey. So that is camouflage. So camouflage is not hidden in the given word grid. Okay. So C, D, phenomenon wherein a leaf insect externally resembles a plant leaf to remain unnoticed by its predator, that is mimicry. Okay. So it is hidden. Okay, so option A is there, B is there, C is not there, D also there. So option C, okay, not hidden in the given word grid. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. 15th, letter H to M in the given food verb represents 6 animals. Which of the following is correct regarding this? So option A, decrease in population of H. Okay, a decrease in population of H will result in increase in population of I and L. Actually, decrease in population of H will result in increase in population of L and decrease in population of I. Okay, so option A is incorrect. B, an increase in population of K, okay, will result in increase in population of I and J. Actually, increase in population of K will result in increase in population of M and decrease in population of I and J. So, option B also incorrect. C, a decrease in population of M, okay, decrease in population of M will result in increase in population of I and K. It is true. So, option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. 16th, diseases are categorized into 4 groups on the basis of their causative microbes, each containing one wrong member. Identify the group in which wrong member is encircled correctly. So, option A, tuberculosis, anthrax and chickenpox. So, here tuberculosis is caused by bacteria, chickenpox is caused by virus, and anthrax is caused by bacteria. So, it is wrongly encircled. Okay, so option A is incorrect. B, tetanus, measles, leprosy. So here tetanus is caused by bacteria, measles is caused by virus, and leprosy is caused by bacteria. So it is encircled correctly. Okay, wrong member is encircled correctly because tetanus and leprosy are caused by bacteria while measles is caused by virus. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. 17th, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given code. Say A, lever. So lever is scissors and then seesaw. Okay. So A2 and 6. A2 and 6. So option B is the correct answer. Wheel and axle. So we know wheel and axle is used in bicycle pedal and then steering wheel. Okay. B1, 4. Next, inclined plane. Inclined plane is used in slide and then ramp. Okay. So C, 3 and 5. So option B is the correct answer. 18. Select the incorrect statement. Option A, overcooking destroy nutrients, hence food should not be overcooked. It is the correct one. B, all vegetables and fruits must be cooked before eating. It is incorrect. Okay, fruits should never be cooked. So option B is the incorrect statement. So option B is the correct answer. 19th. Sumit threw a pebble directly upwards. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding this? So option A, gravity will have no effect on the pebble until it reaches its highest point. It is incorrect. B, the pebble will keep going upwards at the same speed until it reaches its highest point. It is also incorrect. See, the pebble will keep going upwards until gravity ceases to act on it. It is also incorrect. D, gravity will act on the pebble both, okay, while it is going up and also while it is falling down. It is the correct statement regarding gravity, okay. Gravity will act on the pebble both while it is going up and also while it is falling down. So option D is the correct answer. Akash set up an experiment as shown here. Which of the following hold true regarding this? So option A, ball will be attracted by the magnet as the paper is magnetic. It is incorrect because paper is not a magnetic material. B, ball will be attracted by the magnet as the paper is very thin. It is the correct statement. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Option B. 21. The given figure shows human digestive system with some parts labeled as P, Q, R and S. Which of the following labeled part is correctly matched with its function? So option A, Q, food is mixed with different digestive juices. Actually Q is esophagus or food pipe. It just passes the food from P to R. So it is incorrect. Okay. B, P, digestion starts here. Okay. Option, actually P is mouth. So digestion starts from mouth. So it is the correct one. Okay. C, or most of the water is absorbed here. Actually R is stomach. Now, so it is incorrect. Yes, digestion of all food components takes place. S is large intestine. Actually digestion of all food component takes place in small intestine. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. 22. 4 similar sized balls made of clay, iron and styrofoam and glass respectively were put in a container as shown in the given diagram. Then some water was added to the container. Which of the following shows the correct absorption after some time? So we know clay, iron and glass are heavier, so it will settle at the bottom. While styrofoam R is lighter, okay, it is lighter, so it will float. So option C is the possible condition. PQS will sink at the bottom while R will float. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. 23. In which of the following case a person is doing work in terms of science? Option A, Radhika is pushing against a stationary wall. Here no work is done. B, Priya is sleeping. Here also no work is done. Option C, Meena is standing at bus stop waiting for her school bus. It is also incorrect. Here no work is done. D, Gayatri is opening the main door of her house on hearing the doorbell. So here work is done. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. 24. Study the given workshop table. Which of the following set of boxes will give the names of a cooking method X and a food preservation method Y respectively? So X is a cooking method and Y is a food preservation method. So option A, 11 and 7. So 11 is FR, 7 is ING, frying. So there is no cooking method as frying. Okay, so option A is incorrect. Frying is there, that spelling is FRYING. So option A is incorrect. B, 4, 6 and 7. So 4 is ROA and then 6 is ST and then 7 roasting. Yes, roasting is a cooking method. And then 3, 5, 7, that is PI, then CKL, Next is 7 ing, pickling. So roasting is a cooking method and pickling is a food preservation method. So option B is the correct option. Option B. Okay. Next is 25. Refer to the given diagram where X and Y represent substances while P and Q represent organs. Which of the following best represent organ P and Q and substance X and Y? From stomach, small intestine receives the food and complete digestion takes place in small intestine. It absorbs nutrients and water from food so that they can be used by the body. Okay. So organ P is stomach and X is digested food. Then large intestine absorb water and salt from the food that has not been digested and it helps to get rid of the waste product left over. So organ Q is large intestine and Y is undigested food. Okay. So organ P is stomach. So option D. Organ P is stomach, Q is large intestine, X is digested food and Y is undigested food. So option D is the correct answer. 26. Read the given paragraph with few blanks and select the option that correctly fill up any three of these blank. Okay. So human adult have dash type of teeth in their dentition. Human adult has 4 type of teeth in their dentition. Okay. These are Q, R, S and molars. These are incisor, premolars, canines and molars. Q help in cutting or biting food. So incisors help in cutting or biting food. There are dash incisor in each jaw. There are 4 incisor in each jaw. R teeth are absent in milk teeth. That is premolar teeth are absent in milk teeth set, but there are dash. So 8, okay, 8 premolars in permanent teeth set. S are 4 in numbers. Canines are 4 in numbers and help in tearing teeth, okay. So option A, P8, it is incorrect, okay. Actually P is 4, B, Q incisor, T4, U8. So option B is the correct answer, okay. Option B. 24. 3 plants X, Y and Z were put into 3 identical containers filled with 500 ml of water as shown in the figure. Some oil was poured into each container which formed a thin layer above water to prevent water loss through evaporation. The containers were kept outdoor at the same place. Which of the following graph correctly depicts the volume of water in the 3 containers after 2 days? So we know plant will absorb water and minerals from soil. Bigger plant will absorb more water and smaller plant will absorb lesser water. So the volume of water in the first container will be lesser since the plant is bigger. So option B is the correct answer, okay. And the volume of water in the last container will be more since the plant is smaller. So more, okay. So option B is the correct answer, okay. 28. Which of the following activities will cause both air and water pollution? So option A, enhanced vehicular transport, it will cause both air and water pollution. B, bathing animals and washing clothes in water bodies, it will cause only water pollution. C, throwing solid waste like polybags and tin cans in water bodies, it causes water pollution. D, burying domestic biodegradable waste underground, it causes land pollution. So option A is the correct answer, option A. 29. Starting from first letter, strike out every alternate letters in the given letter group to get the name of the traditional clothing of Japanese woman, okay. So we know that traditional clothing of Japanese woman is kimono, okay. So option A, we will get hanbok. It is the traditional dress of Korea. So option B, we get kimono, okay. It is the traditional dress of Japanese woman. So option B is the correct answer. 30. X is an animal that live inside the body of another organism of different species. It has specialized organ to suck blood. X could be A, mosquito, no. B, hookworm, yes. Okay, so X could be hookworm. So option B is the correct answer. Next, achiever section 31. Refer to the given graph showing temperature changes at a place over a year P2R. Select the correct option regarding it. So please check the given graph. The temperature is below 0 degree. Okay, temperature is below 0 degree. Then that place may experience more cold. Okay. So option A, people inhabiting the given place mostly wear clothes made of fiber sourced from some mammals, that is animal fiber, wool. Okay. So option A is the correct option. So option A is the correct answer. 32. The given diagram shows the position of water plants P, Q, R and S in a pond. 4 pupils, Vikas, Shilpi, Beena and Rahul, were asked to identify the position of 4 plants, water hyacinth, hydrilla, coontail and water lily in the pond. Which of these pupils has identified the position of all given water plant correctly? Okay. So out of this we know water lily is a floating plant. Okay. Floating partially submerged plant. So R is water lily. So option B, C, D will be correct. Next, coontail. Coontail is the partially submerged, that is Q. Okay, Q is coontail. So either option, yes, B or C will be correct. Hydrilla. Hydrilla is a underwater plant. Okay, so yes, yes is hydrilla. So option C is the correct answer. Next, water hyacinth is a lightweight floating plant. So P is water hyacinth. So P water hyacinth, Q coontail, or water lily, S hydrilla. So Beena, okay, Beena identified the position of all given water plants correctly. So option C is the correct answer. 33. Rima tested the properties of 4 objects P, Q, R and S and tabulated her result as follows. Select the option that correctly identifies any 2 of these objects. So option A, Q, steel container. Actually Q is a material, waterproof and also transparent. Okay, steel container is not transparent. So option A is incorrect. Next, option B, P, rubber mat. Actually P is a flexible waterproof material. So P may be rubber mat. S, aluminum plate. Actually S is a waterproof material and also good conductor of heat. Okay. So it may be aluminum plate. So option B is the correct answer. 34. A pendulum bob when released from position X hits a plastic cup on ground and toppled it to its side. Which one of the following correctly shows the conversion of energy that took place in this experiment? So in the experiment, the potential energy of X, okay, converted into kinetic energy. So this kinetic energy changes the potential energy of plastic cup into kinetic energy and sound energy is created. Okay. So option B, okay, potential energy of pendulum bob converted into kinetic energy of pendulum bob, which is then converted into kinetic energy of plastic cup, which created sound energy. So option B is the correct answer. 35. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the incorrect option regarding organs P, Q and R. So P is the organ where digestion of food takes place and an organ which secretes digestive enzymes. So R is an organ which secretes digestive enzymes. Q is a organ where all of these, okay, organ where maximum absorption of digested food take place and also it secretes digestive enzymes and also where digestion of food take place. Now let's see the option. Option A, P could be muscular organ which churns the food and help it mixing it with acid. It is a correct option. Option B, Q receives digestive juices from R and liver for complete digestion of all food components. It is also correct statement. C, R could be pancreas which secretes different digestive juices for digestion of proteins, fat and carbohydrate. It is also correct statement. Option B, P could be large intestine, which is the longest and widest part of the gut. It is incorrect, okay. Actually, P may be small intestine, okay. So option D is the incorrect option regarding organ P, Q and R. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you my dear kids for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. In our next video, we are going to see the 2017 solved paper, level 2 paper. So please check the playlist for more videos. Thank you.